Light up outdoor living with the VRE4600 series linear gas fireplaces. Flames dance on a bed of crushed glass while adjustable full spectrum LED lights enhance the mood or season. The VRE4600 series offers a variety of optional accessories. The VRE4600 series fireplace allows single-sided or optional see-through installation. The VRE4600 series offers stainless steel construction for long-standing outdoor use. And all models are backed by our 20-year limited warranty. Superior Fireplaces. Our name is our promise.